Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm with Mike from On Time Accounting. And today we're going to talk about collections and the importance of it. Mike, I didn't know your company actually handles collections as well.
That's a little unknown secret, and it's interesting because we're the only firm in the area who handles full accounting services and credit and collections. Our firm has over 25 years of experience in the credit management field, so we can bring that to our clients to help them do what's important, and that's collect money on a regular basis.
Okay, yeah. When you're looking at your receivables and you're saying to yourself, I have excellent sales, but cash flow is kind of weak. So it's definitely something to reach out to a service such as yourself.
That's a real great question, and it happens to a lot of business owners. They get a false sense of security saying, well, I made the sale, I made the money. That's correct. They made the sale, they made the money, but they didn't collect the money, so now they don't have the cash flow. And I had an interesting situation with one of my clients where they said, I don't understand it. I'm profitable, but I'm always squeezed for money. Where is it? So we sat down with them, we did a spreadsheet analysis, which basically takes a look at their aging receivables and breaks them down into the various categories, and then we looked at it and compared it to an industry average, because it's always great to compare things to a benchmark, some sort of norm. And they had over $100,000 in receivables that were beyond a reasonable period. And their eyes opened up and said, wow, there's where my cash flow problem is. What do we have to do to collect that money?
Yeah, I mean, it really is. It's sometimes, it's great going out and making the sale, but then having to go after and really, basically, you're chasing your money. It is stressful.
Well, there's a flip side to that, and that's the credit side of the whole credit and collections management. Why make a sale to someone if you're not going to get paid? We can help our clients look at how they make credit decisions, improve that process, and not only the credit process, but also the collection process. What are the steps they take? One of the most important steps in any collection process is the follow-up system. And what do I mean by a follow-up system? Well, if you're talking to a customer that owes you money and they say, I'll pay you next week, so you get a firm date from them. It would be Monday, Tuesday, and you cycle it so that you know when the check should arrive. Well, you put it into a calendar system, so when that day arrives, you look, did you get the money? If not, then what's your next collection step? And that's the next important point is, what are your various collection steps? As an example, day one, you send an invoice. When do you make your first collection call? When do you make your second one? When do you send a letter? When do you send a certified letter? When do you send it to a collection agency? The longer you wait, the less the probability you're going to recover everything that's due you.
Right, and just understanding the magnitude of really the system that is involved in doing it. It's nice to know that On-Time Accounting is there to be able to offer that solution for your company. So there you have it from an expert.